So hello guys, this is the EvoFox Katana S Mini, which comes with 3-in-1 connectivity, and also the keyboard supports both Mac and Windows. And the keyboard comes with 3-in-1 connectivity. One's a wire cable, and the second one is dongle, and the third one is Bluetooth connectivity. And also this keyboard have 23 RGB light effects. So this is the overall view. And the typing experience of this keyboard is very smooth, which you guys are also see. So let's see the overall view of this keyboard.